Here is how to book a ride using Lyft. Use the clickable sections below to skip to instructions about different features in the app. Before you book a ride, make sure you have entered a payment method into the app. To do this, tap the menu icon in the upper left-hand corner of the screen, and then tap Payment. Locate the Payment Methods section and tap Add Payment Method to enter your payment details. To book a ride, start by tapping the Search Destination field. Then, in the Destination field, you can type in the address of where you want to go. Once you have your destination selected, tap Set Destination. Lyft will offer you several different car options, each that fit a different number of people and come with a different price tag. The typical options are Lyft, Lyft XL, Lux Black, and Lux Black XL. Lyft is usually the cheapest option. Lyft XL is usually more expensive because these are bigger cars that can fit more passengers or extra luggage. Lux Black is the same size car as a standard Lyft, but in a luxury vehicle. Similarly, Lux Black XL is a bigger car, just like a Lyft XL, but is a luxury vehicle. Within each option, you can see the number of passengers that each car can fit, as well as your estimated arrival time at your destination, and the time it will take for the car to pick you up. Under the Lyft option, you may see a drop-down menu where the pickup time is located. If you tap this drop-down, you'll see that if you are willing to wait a little longer for your ride, you can get it for a cheaper price. Once you've selected your option, tap Select Lyft. Lyft may ask you to confirm your pickup spot again, so the driver is clear on where to find you. Once your pickup spot is set, tap Confirm and Request. Lyft will then match you to a driver and will show you their live location as they make their way to your pickup spot. If you ever need to contact the driver as they are navigating to your pickup spot, you can tap the phone icon. As the Lyft is arriving, you can confirm that it's the right car by making sure the license plate and model of the approaching car matches the license plate and model shown in the app. Once you're riding in the Lyft, you can follow your location live on the map and also see your live estimated arrival time. If you need to make any changes to the ride, you can tap Edit Ride. You can cancel the ride, add a stop, or edit the drop-off. You can also tap Safety Tools to access various safety tools that Lyft offers during the ride, and also share your ride location with others. After the ride is over, you can give your driver a rating or a tip.